Got a collection of high-quality MKV movies on your computer, but struggling to watch them on your big screen TV or DVD player? While MKV is great for quality, it's not always compatible with standard home players. The solution is simple. Burn them to a physical DVD disc. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DVDFab DVD Creator to burn MKV videos to DVD with stylish menus and zero quality loss. First, launch DVDFab 13 and select the Creator module from the top menu. Click the mode switcher on the left and choose DVD Creator. Now, simply drag and drop your MKV file directly into the main interface to load it. Here is the best part. Unlike basic burners, DVDFab lets you design a professional DVD menu. Click Menu Settings. You can choose from tons of premium templates tailored for different occasions. You can even customize the background image, add text, and adjust the thumbnails to make it truly yours. Back on the main screen, you can select the specific audio tracks and subtitles you want to keep. Click the Advanced Settings wrench icon. Here, you can set the output size to DVD5 or DVD9 and ensure the video quality is set to match your disk capacity perfectly. Finally, select your optical drive in the Save To box, insert a blank DVD, and hit Start. DVDFab utilizes GPU hardware acceleration technology, so the burning process is incredibly fast without slowing down your computer. And that's it. Now you can enjoy your MKV movies on any standard DVD player with a custom menu. Check the link in the description to try DVDFab DVD Creator for free. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.